Safety at work is an increasingly central issue in material handling activities in logistics and manufacturing. New technologies increasingly provide effective tools to prevent accidents and limit injuries. Ubiquicom has developed the only integrated solution for collision avoidance and personal safety by exploiting the most advanced locating technology to increase safety without impacting efficiency. The proximity system, thanks to ultra-wideband technology, is capable of continuously and accurately calculating the distance of a vehicle from people, other vehicles in motion, or fixed obstacles. This way, the system keeps track of moving vehicles by identifying risk situations. Furthermore, proximity makes it possible to run automations with great efficiency and accuracy. If necessary, the device on board the vehicle intervenes by alarming the risk to the driver and slowing down the forklift. Wearable personal tags provide vehicles to detect the presence of people and to generate alarms and forced slowdowns in the case of excessive approach. With the Ubiquicom Locator software platform, it is also possible to monitor the position of vehicles and people both inside and outside the production areas and warehouses in real time. This functionality enables the advanced management of man-down events and many other situations related to the safety of the area. For example, the risk initiated from the presence of people while a stock operation is in progress on the opposite side of a rack. Furthermore, by using software, it is possible to dynamically configure areas and time slots in which the speed must be limited and apply these limits to the vehicles without intervening on the vehicles themselves. The top-of-the-line Proximity Plus system is able to accurately measure not only the distance between people and vehicles, but also the arrival direction of the potential risk. Proximity Plus is therefore able to distinguish dangerous situations from those that do not involve risks, and therefore do not require the generation of alarms or speed slowdown. The Ubiquicom Safety Ecosystem. Maximum safety with a single integrated solution for people and vehicles. Ubiquicom. The innovation beyond location.